If you're looking to get an estate agency website up and running quickly, or if you're not familiar with coding practices or CSS, etc., using our free open source Honeycomb theme is a great option for you. You can see here how this is the default theme and everything looks fairly presentable out of the box, so everything's styled nicely. We've got search results and search forms all looking nice, property details page looking nice. So you can see with no coding experience or much input really at all, you've got an estate agency site with search functionality ready to go. If you are interested in using it, it's available on our website. So if I navigate to our website, you'll see at the top you've got themes. So the first thing you can do is you can preview it from both the front end and the back end. So you can see how it looks on the front end and play with it there, or you can log into a back end of WordPress and see how easy it is to customize before you commit. If you do go ahead, you can simply download the theme and it will give you a zip file. Once you've got the zip file downloaded, within WordPress we just need to navigate to Appearance and Themes, and once there click Add New. Then click Upload Theme, and we're just going to browse and navigate to the zip file that's just been downloaded. Then click Install Now. Once that's installed, we click Activate, and if we visit the site, we should see we've got the bare bones of the theme ready to go. So no content yet, obviously, at the moment, but we have got properties in there. So if we go to Search Results, you can see we've already got the foundations of a search in place. You just then need to create the pages and add the content in. If you're looking to change the colors, branding, logos, etc., you can do this easily within Appearance and Customize. See the left hand side is split into various categories, and within each of these categories are various options. So in site identity, for example, we can choose a logo, header, we can choose colors. We've got typography section for just general font colors, buttons for button colors. So you really can make it match your branding from within here. If you are a bit code savvy and know some CSS, there is an option down the bottom for additional CSS. So you can add any padding or color tweaks in there should you need to. Once we're finished, we click Publish, and that will then save the settings we've just changed. It's also worth noting that in order to use Honeycomb, you do need the Property Hive plugin installed. So in this scenario, we already had it installed before you can actually use Honeycomb or display any properties.